Can you see yourself in the 2020 Porsche Macan? This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. This exquisitely engineered Macan delivers effortless driving pleasure and heaps of crossover practicality. Dynamic, alluring, and crafted to meet the demands of a busy lifestyle, this compact luxury SUV is pure satisfaction. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: all-wheel drive, navigation system, heated mirrors, tire pressure monitoring system, four-wheel ABS. Make the most of every journey in this driver-focused Macan. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.